Welcome to another episode of the Golden Spear Homestead Project Edition. What's going on, crew? All right, guys, I know the last time when I got done doing the trailer project, I was like, I'm gonna be done doing projects. Well, if you guys been watching my channel for a while, and then you know I changed my mind a lot and frequently. So, nevertheless, right now I am off to go get a new project. Now, this project is a little different from the other ones. This one is not a trash to beauty project, but this project is something that I've been wanting for a while. I don't want to spoil it. I really want to tell you what it is, but I want to wait and show it to you. So right now, I am on my way to go pick up my cousin Brent. You guys all met him before. And once I pick up my cousin Brent, then we're gonna head out and go pick up my new project. It's probably about a good, I don't know, 35 to 45 minute drive. And it'll be a good time to hang out with me and my cousin. All right, ride with me. Say, man, you ready to go pick up a project? My cousin, just so y'all can see, I'm 6'3". He's a big.
He a little guy.
Yeah.
He a little dude. He a little dude. He a little dude.
Up, man?
I love him though. I love him to death.
You ready to go get this my new little project?
Yep, let's go.
We gotta grab a trailer and then we gonna get on the road and go get what else we get. Let me show you what else he do everything. I forgot to show you this.
Other bikes, more bikes.
More bikes, but he's also a certified scuba instructor. He's been trying to get me to go jump my butt in some water.
In some water.
Get me certified. What did you say, 100 feet? Or is it no?
It's 60 to start off with.
60 feet. We don't do that. Alrighty, we made it. Ken folks over there opening up the trailer. Alrighty, we out here in this beautiful Arizona nights. You can't look at that. It's just beautiful. Man, these houses are wonderful. I think I want to buy this one right here behind me. What you guys think? I should get that. But anyway, now it's time for the big reveal. Is it time for the big reveal, Ken folk?
Yeah, it's time for the big reveal.
Hey, okay. Yeah, it's time for the big reveal. Check this out. All righty, so this is the new project. Yeah, I got a nickname for it too. Actually, this time it's gonna be a him. I call him Nightcrawler. So that's Nightcrawler. And what is the project? Granted, this is a beautiful bike as it sits, but of course, I have to do some modifications and make it my own. And that is what the videos is gonna be. As I start changing the handlebars out, changing out the stereo system, putting the touring package on, doing my fine little touches to it, I'm gonna share that with you guys. So yes, I am a member of the Victory motorcycle gang. Now my cousin, as you saw earlier, he has a Victory. We have a couple other friends that have a Victory motorcycle, and we're gonna start a club. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Vic Boys. All right, so let me give you a little information about the bike. It's a 2010 Victory Cross Country. It's got the 106 in it. I believe because it's all black, I believe this is like it's called an 8-ball edition, and I really like it. Some of the things that it came with, as you can see, it's got the backrest for me, got the backrest for Mama. It's got the footrest for me, and a lot of these Victories, you see them, they have the foot peg for the back passenger and not the footrest. This one has the footrest, dual black exhaust pipes coming out the back. I like that. Come up here, some of the little features that it's got. It's got little radio controls here. This bike has cruise control, and that's pretty cool for long rides. I don't know if Harley's had that. I'm sure probably the new ones do. I don't know about the older ones, but if they do, you know, you guys let me know. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a nice bike. I've been wanting to get back into the riding game for a minute, and this opportunity popped up and got it for a real nice price. There's a few upgrades that I want to do to the bike, and I'm going to go over those right now. One of the first upgrades that I want to do, and I got all these parts are coming. So when I get them, of course, I'll do a video of me installing them. I got handlebars coming. I got upgraded speakers for up here and in the bag. I have new lids coming. The lids that I got will have a 6x9 cutout in the front with a flush mounted speaker grill. They look really nice. So I'm waiting for that to come. That'll be one of the upgrades. Another upgrade that I'm getting is back here. I like the touring package. I like the bikes that have the touring package, but I don't like the big bulky ones. I like the little, I don't know, I guess you call them like little pizza boxes. So I got that coming. It'll have the touring mount hanging off the back, low profile. I got a new antenna, one that's not so long. It'll be down here, a little short, stubby, cool looking antenna. I think that's about it. Like I said, I got speakers, I got an amp coming. One of the things that I'm also going to be installing, we'll come over here and I'll share it with you, is I had this 10-inch subwoofer laying around. I'm going to install that into the bag. I'm hoping to get that started today. Hoping to get that in the bag today and share that with you guys. The amp that I'm getting is a cool amp. It's a 5-channel amp. So I can install the amp in the front, run it to the other speakers, and then it's got a special outlet for the subwoofer. So that's the upgrades. Alrighty guys, so now that you've been introduced to the bike and the upgrades that I want to do to the bike, what I'm going to do now is start the upgrades. One thing that I had laying around in the house is I had this 10-inch woofer. I got some good speakers coming, as I shared with you earlier, but I didn't order a subwoofer. So I'm going to install this subwoofer into one of the bags, and I'm going to share with you how I'm going to install this subwoofer to the bag. Alrighty, so what I need to do now is figure out what box I'm going to put the speaker in. So I'm thinking I'm going to put it in this box, because this box has the shelf, and I can put the speaker right here, have a shelf to set stuff on, and then on this other side I'll still have the deep box, cargo box, because I'm gonna put my 6x9s. I got a new lid coming, and the 6x9s will be up here. So I'm gonna get this taken off, and it's simple. All you gotta do is take these off. Well, take this off, take this off. This right here is a little plug-in for like a MP3 player or whatnot for the stereo. But before I get to dismantling the bike and working on the stereo system, let's get a test of what it sounds like now compared to what it's gonna sound like when I'm done. Let's see. Yeah, that's not gonna do it for me. We're gonna start getting this project going. It's not a lot. It's not gonna be a long project. Probably a few videos, and then once I get all my upgrades on it, we'll go out for a ride. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this subwoofer, this bag taken off, and then we're gonna get started on installing the subwoofer on Victoria. Alrighty, so I have the bag off. This right here is where the speaker's gonna go. What I'm gonna end up doing is tracing the outline, the inside of this in there. You see a lot of people when they put these bags in, what they end up doing is cutting a hole in the side of the box. I'm not gonna cut the hole in the side. Once I draw my outline, I'll use these lines as a grid, and I'll draw some lines going sideways, and where they intersect, I'm gonna punch holes in with a drill, and what that'll do is act as a speaker screen instead of just cutting a big hole in the side of the box, and then when I'm riding, if it's wet or rain, a lot of water will hit the speaker and possibly damage my sub. So I'm gonna get started doing that. I'm gonna get my outline traced on the outside and get my lines drawn for where I'm gonna drill the holes, and then I'll come back and share that with you. Peace out. So what I ended up doing is I traced the inner diameter of the speaker, and then I drew these lines. These lines are 1 inch apart. What I did is started in the middle, go down the middle 1 inch every inch, and come across here every inch, and then I draw these lines, and then everywhere these lines intersect, I'm gonna drill a hole with a drill bit, and it's gonna create like a speaker grill vent for my subwoofer. So I'm gonna get these holes drilled, and then I'll come back and show you the final product. You don't need to. What I ended up doing is I traced the inner diameter of the speaker, and then I drew these lines. These lines are 1 inch apart. What I did is started in the middle, go down the middle 1 inch every inch, and come across here every inch, and then I draw these lines, and then everywhere these lines intersect, I'm going to drill a hole with a drill bit, and it's gonna create like a speaker grill vent for my subwoofer. So I'm gonna get these holes drilled, and then I'll come back and show you the final product. So there it is, right? Except for the speaker will be mounted on the inside, and this will be acting, the speaker will be on the underside of that, and this will allow the speaker to breathe, the sound to come out, and it'll keep, you know, if I'm riding in the rain, it'll still get wet, but my speaker won't be just open, right? What if something, you know, if I have a blowout, it won't hit this and blow out my, you know, knock my speaker out or something like that. But I think it's just a little bit extra protection, and we'll see how it sounds. Again, I'm not trying to have, you know, competition sound. I just want it to sound good. I want to have a little low end, some highs, and I want to be able to, you know, if I go to you know, a rally, or I'm riding with the fellas, I want them to know Sherman came to play. All right, I'm gonna get the speaker mounted on this. Then once I got it all mounted in, I'll come back and show what the final piece look like. The final product. I think it's gonna be cool. I gotta cut some of these screws off, but other than that, I think we're gonna be good to go. Let's check it out. So that's that seal that I put around the speaker, and it's sealed up, and we all know this stuff is what I used on the RV, so that'll seal it up real good. When the lid shuts, you know, it'll be like a speaker box. All right, tucked in there, and then that's how I did the grill. Got the speaker wire here so that, you know, if I need to do work on it, I can plug it up, plug it in, just like here for the radio Bluetooth, or like if you got an iPod, that's where you plug that in at. But that's how I'm doing it. You know, you can see the speaker in there, and we'll see how it sounds. I got the bag all back on. It's looking good. It is definitely looking nice. Shut. Sub will be in the box. She should sound nice. That's how you put a 10-inch on a Victory cross country. Game, Project Victoria is off and running. Till the next time, I'll see you right here on the Golden Spear Homestead Project Edition.